Hi there, I'm Jeff Spencer with Renold Jeffrey in Morristown, Tennessee. Our chains undergo rigorous testing to make sure they meet our stringent quality standards and are able to stand up to demanding conditions. One of the ways that we ensure that every chain that leaves our plant is worthy of the Renold Jeffrey name is to conduct quality testing at critical points in the manufacturing process. For instance, we carry out destructive tests on welded steel chain links periodically throughout each production run to ensure proper weld fusion between the sidebars and barrel. The two chains that you'll see tested today are welded steel chains, commonly used in forestry, wood, and paper products industries. These chains must be strong and resilient because they really take some abuse. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave us a comment below and be sure to subscribe. Visit us at renoldjeffrey.com.